Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Our company specializes in the commercial diesel parts, and our products include the injector, the valve assembly, the repair kit, the pumps, the ICV valve, the sensors, etc. And today we're going to share with you is our control valve. Let's see it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI anti-rust bags. Here, this is the product SKU. And also with the product code is F00RJ02067. And for the logo labeled packages, etc., any details we can support customized service. So, if you have this needs, please feel free to contact us. Then I will open it to show you the inside. Wow, take a look. The inside, we use this kind of transparent bottles to package it to be better, avoid some damages during the transportation. Then I will open it. This is the oil paper to wrap it up. The whole side of the valve assembly. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, we're also selling the separate ones such as the valve cap or the valve rod. If you look carefully, you will find on the surface of the valve cap there is the coating figures here. And our product, we have the quality guaranteed 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers will receive the packages. If you are not set with the quality, it's okay, return or exchange it. And here Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to show you. The first tip is if you want to clean the control valve, it's okay. You can clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after inject body. Okay, that's all. Actually, if you still have other questions, it's okay. You can make comments below these YouTube videos, or at last you can follow us at our account because we have the YouTube or the Facebook account. You can follow us so that next time you can easily find us. Okay, and we have our website, our WhatsApp, our phone numbers. You can choose one. Feel free to contact us waiting for news. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you.